Keys to projecting greater security. From choosing the right shoes to always professing thanks, hear what makes you more secure inside and also reflects on the outside. The expressions we perform, the way we speak, how we dress and even how we walk, shows the degree of security we have over ourselves. Although most women work to impose greater security against various aspects of our lives, the truth is that it is not as simple as it seems. That is why we show you 8 keys that you can apply to support yourself in this quest to feed the personality. 1. Pretty. Dressing, doing our hair and putting makeup has the power in women to contribute that our mood is always maintained at a high level. This, in turn, serves to project it to the people around us, so get pretty. 2. When walking. Choosing shoes to mobilize in work or party environment will give us the guideline to impose a style. That is why it is important to choose the right ones, those that allow us to walk properly. Besides, the way we have to walk says a lot about us. A person who walks with energy and determination reflects an image of success. 3. The posture. Sagging shoulders and lethargic movements are indicators of low self-esteem. It is not about walking like robots, always firm. The important thing is not to forget 3 factors: stand up straight, raise your head and make eye contact. This will make you feel empowered. 4. Always thanks. Ungrateful people are usually seen as arrogant, not as strong and safe. Try to be grateful to the people who support you and are around you, from your friends or family to the great moments you lived in the past. Everything can improve with a thank you, and you will be surprised at the motivation you will get in return. 5. Recognize the success of others. Complimenting someone else will help you break the cycles of negativity around you. Recognizing the good in others will bring out the best in you. 6. Get fit. Incorporating some exercise into your daily life also has a reaction in your self-esteem. Go for a walk, dance or take a yoga class. Discipline will make you feel good, filling you with energy and a good attitude. Finally, you are doing something positive for yourself. 8. Contribute. Contributing to your community and helping those who need it is a great way to avoid concentrating on your failures. What you do for the world around you is directly proportional to the success and recognition you receive. Learn why men lose interest. Click or tap the link on or below this video to download this free ebook.